If you're looking for a beginner-friendly mini trampoline workout, you have landed in the right place. We're going to be here for about 15 minutes. No fancy equipment needed. Just grab your rebounder and let's hop right in. I'll meet you back here. Let's get started. All right, my friend, go ahead and step into your rebounder. We're going to ground our feet. Let's start with a couple gentle stretches. Plant your feet into the earth. Inhale, sweep your arms high up and overhead. And exhale, release your hands down. Send one arm to the sky, full breath in, full breath out as you give yourself a nice side body stretch. Release that hand and then other side, other arm reaches tall, and exhale to fold. Nice job, send both hands down, maybe shake it out, and then let's get this party started. We're gonna start with a gentle walk. I love to begin with the 4 basic moves, so if you've watched my other walking videos, these are the moves that I use in those. Of course, we have lots and lots of moves that we can do on the mini trampoline, but I love to just start with these beginner basic moves to get started. So if you ever, need a reset, you can come back here, walk in place, or you could even bounce in place. In this workout, we are going to stay primarily on the rebounder, but if you feel like you want to hop a little bit, get some air, feel free to do so. You can gauge your intensity as needed. Nice job. All right, I'm so glad you decided to press play and give this workout a try. If we've not met yet, my name is Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate, and I help women here online just feel better in their bodies through fitness, health education, and much, much more. And we're gonna get right into this workout. Nice job. Check in with your breath. Can you breathe a little deeper here? This is a great cardiovascular workout, so not only working our whole body, we're also working the most important muscle in the body, which is your heart. Nice job. So aerobic activity. Move your body in a joyful way every single day. That's really my motto here. And I love to encourage women to do the same. Nice job. Give me a side step. So just step to one side of your mat here, and then we're just gonna step out and back in. Just a little side to side. Nice job. Hands can do what they want right now. Don't overthink it. Arms are kind of secondary here. My trampoline also comes with a bar, like a safety bar. I chose to not use it today. And I just gotta tell you a little bit about this trampoline. I'm using a Beacon mini trampoline. I am crazy about this thing. It's super safe, super quiet. In the past, I've used ones that have, springs around the base of them, which I found a little bit unsafe. This one has bungee cords, which has really served me well in the time I've had it. So I'm crazy about it. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. It's very reasonably priced and just super awesome. Nice job, guys. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Return back to home base, walk in place here. Nice job. Maybe stomp the feet a little bit more, catch some air. Yeah, next move. Give me some knee lifts. So we're gonna lift the knee, lift the knee. You can slow this down to activate a little bit deeper muscle here. And let's also check in. We're gonna test our balance or challenge ourselves a little bit. Maybe reach both arms up as the knee comes up. So try that today. Of course, if that doesn't work, you might use your bar or even, use support around you. Maybe you have a wall or something like that you'd like to use. I always tell people, use what you got here, right? We don't need a lot of fancy equipment to get a really great workout in. When we do these knee lifts, our core is naturally engaged. Maybe you feel the belly button draw in towards the spine. Really great move for your back. We want to keep the back muscles strong and healthy. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to walking in place. While we're here, take your feet wide. Get a little deeper activation of those backside muscles. Stomp it out. Really press those heels into your mat. Keep breathing. You did it, my friend. You committed to this workout. You press play. Oftentimes, that's the hardest part, is making time for you. This practice of self-care. Anytime you move your body joyfully in a healthy way, you're practicing self-care. So kudos to you for committing to yourself and your health today. For 3, 2, 1, walk in place. This workout, we're all different. We all have different experiences, But for me, this workout equates to about 3/4 of a mile. So 15-minute trampoline workout, about 3/4 of a mile. So awesome job. Whew. All right, our last move, they're kicks. We're gonna do alternating kicks. Just gonna turn to the side, give me a kick and a kick. Great job, great for your balance. Maybe you reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Nice job. Keep your spine long, so upright spine here. Keep moving. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return, home base, walk it out. Nice job. So those were the 4 basic moves, and then we just kind of build from there. I always want to tell people, you know, don't go at my pace, go at your own pace. Gauge your body, listen to your body, check in over and over. What do I need in this moment right now? Nice job. Get the upper body involved. We're gonna reach up, down, out to the side, back in. Up, down, out, back. Big shapes here. Maybe go a little faster in the lower body as you do this. Doesn't have to be coordinated, it doesn't have to be super pretty, right? Just make it happen, move your body. Tell people, you know, you showed up. Other than that, you can't do this workout wrong, right? So just keep moving, stay active. Go back to that walk if you ever need to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. All right, let's get a little happy bounce in. So your feet may or may not choose to leave the ground. I'm gonna take the feet about as wide as your hips, maybe a little bit wider, nice wide base of support. And then just bounce here. You can see I am still, my feet are still on the mat. I'm not lifting off the mat. Nice, and then just let the arms hang loose. Really great for your lymphatic system. Moving some lymph throughout the body. One of the great benefits of rebounding. Really good for our immune system. Good job. Have some fun. To me, it's impossible not to smile during these workouts. It just brings out the inner child in us all, right? Bouncing around on a little trampoline. And they call this a workout, right? So much fun. Nice job. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Just march it out. Get those knees up. Give me a knee lift, a knee lift. Nice job. Oh yeah. If you're interested in more of the work I do and who I do it for, I'd love for you to check out my website after this workout's complete. It's emilydaugherty.com, and over there you can check out Emily's Wellness Academy. Inside there I have members from all over the world, which is super cool, that focus on nutrition, fitness, health education, stress management, and so much more. Really our goal in my Wellness Academy is all about self-care, self-compassion, taking care of ourselves so that we can create some positive change in our lives and in the lives of those around us, our family, our friends, our community. So definitely check out Emily's Wellness Academy if you would like to work with me a little bit more. Good job, guys. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Yeah, pump the hands, pump the arms, pump the knees. Catch a little air here. So good. Take the feet wide. Keep that pace if you can. Go for it. I've found trampolining equates to the same number of calories I burn in a walk, and oftentimes whenever I'm jogging or running even. So great, great workout. Just full body fitness here. Nice job. Bring those feet back together. All right, let's go into those side steps again. So just step to one side. We're just gonna step back and forth. This time our body's warm. You might start to sink down a little bit more into the backside muscles, a little bit deeper. Nice job. Everybody open your arms if this is okay. And then we're gonna clap. So back and forth. Big stretches here. Take up all the space you possibly can right now. Feel energized. Be a little joyful. We got these happy hormones surging through the body right now. That's what happens when you work out, right? Just so many good things, so many benefits. whole body fitness, strengthening and balancing throughout the body, so challenging your coordination and balance, and then also really great to boost your mood, your energy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Nice job. Big high five for you. Let me just step off here. I'm gonna check my time. Awesome, we're 10 minutes in. You got about 5 minutes to go. Keep walking here. Check in with your breath. You can always slow down. You can always grab a little sip of water. Really proud of you. Make this workout work for you. All right, guys, step towards the back of your mat. Then we're gonna step forward and back. You can lead with one leg, and then we'll reverse that. Nice job. Activate some deeper muscle here. Nice. Go at your pace. I'll count us out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to that happy bounce. So walk in place or just give me a little bounce here. Again, heels may or may not leave the earth, the mat. Maybe shift your hips a little bit. Have some fun. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Step back towards the back of your mat. And then we're gonna lead with the opposite foot, whatever that means to you. So for me, the first time I went forward with my right, this time I went forward with my left. So if that's too much, just walk forward and back, it's all good. Great job. Make it happen. We're really coming close to the end of this workout. I'm so proud you're still here. If you're liking this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and that's just gonna help more people find me so I can connect with more people around the world. And that's been a really cool part of creating my YouTube channel. It's just connecting with folks, you know, all over the place. I'm located in a very small town here in West Virginia. It's surrounded by mountains and trees and birds. It's beautiful here, and I love hearing from folks just all over the world. So thanks for being here. If you want to leave a comment, let me know where you're joining from. I would just love to know. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1, walk it out. March it out, take the feet wide. Nice job. All right, with the feet wide, give me some kickbacks. So you're gonna press into one foot, the other foot's gonna kick back. Nice job. And then maybe we can pull the arms back. Yeah, the upper body involved, the chest. The core is definitely activated. Bringing on that brain-body connection, playing a little bit with balance here. I always encourage folks, please look out in front, not down at your feet here. When we challenge our balance, if you look down at the ground, you have a tendency to want to fall in that direction. So definitely don't want anybody to get injured, right? Safety is key. Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return to the walk in place. Yes, proud of you. All right, let's get those kicks in. We'll do alternating kicks. Kick it out. Maybe opposite fingers, reach towards opposite toes, or maybe you have your bar close by. Belly button draws in, your core is engaged, spine is long, and you might be smiling. Always encouraged, but not a necessity. I just love to, you know, brighten your day a little bit with a big smile. Here we are, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final walk, here we go. Yeah, walk in place, widen your stance, make it count here. Let's cross that finish line. 3/4 of a mile, you got this in the bag. Go for the gold. Feet come back together. See if you can go a little bit faster, pump those arms a little bit more. 10 more seconds, you got this. Yes, so proud of you. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Big round of applause. Go ahead and start to slow this movement down. Woo. Grab your water, check in here. Plant your feet, feet are wide. All right, let's take a little knocking on heaven's door. Nice rotation for the spine. Fists, you might make fists with the hands and then just rotate here, side to side. Might lift the heel or not, your choice. Nice job. 3, 2, 1, slow it down. Well done. All right, let's take the arms to the sky. Inhale, sweep the arms high to the sky. Exhale, send the hands down by the sides. We're gonna inhale, sweep the arms high. And this time, exhale, hands come behind the back. Pull the elbows down as you lift your gaze up. Big shoulder stretch. Nice, and then hands can come to the hips. Let's take some little circles here with the hips. Just roll things around in one direction. And then start to reverse that other way. Nice job. Not a move we do very often, but really great for the hips. Keep things nice and fluid back there. Working on that SI joint, sacroiliac joint. Here we are, 3, 2, and 1. Finish out, one more angel breath. We inhale, sweep the arms high. Lots of love in, and exhale, lots of love out. Give yourself a big round of applause. I am so glad that you made it to the end. You stuck with it. If you would like to learn and connect with me a bit more, please head on over to my website, emilydaugherty.com, and I will see you again in a few days. Take good care.